On May 11, 2023, FCSO received a call of a female riding a bicycle against traffic, almost causing several collisions in Palm Coast, Florida. While en route, dispatchers received multiple calls the female had begun to vandalize vehicles by keying several vehicles on the roadway as she rode her bicycle by them. Deputy Punsky located the female and attempted a traffic stop on the female bicyclist. The female then fled from Deputy Punsky into a grassy field.
224 back, she's not stopping, cutting over to the fire station.
Moments later, Deputy Punsky was able to get her stopped and attempted to take her into custody, although the female actively resisted attempts to restrain her.
Come here, now! I'm not playing with you, come here! Come here, right?
After 205, here we begin clearing. Go ahead, tell me your name.
Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go? And all your fucking footage
Lay
on
on
the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your fucking producers right now. All your fucking TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out fucking now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your fucking producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative, I'm trying to get her secured. She was resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back, do it now.
No. You go fuck
What
yourself.
are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not fucking stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your
gonna
back.
fucking stop.
I'm gonna
come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back, do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You fucking losers. You fucking losers, man. I'll be a TV show. I'll be a fucking TV show, huh? You fucking red fucking prick.
I'm not the one.
Fucking dumb.
Battery on Leo too.
Yeah.
Now you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV. That's why I stopped. Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Guess what? You're fucked. You're so fucked, all of you.
224 flag, did you copy?
Yep. I copied whatever you shot in my fucking eyes.
10-4, you can clear the channel. Stand up.
Nope.
Stand up or I'll drag you there.
What's that?
The choice is yours. Let's go. Alright, we can sit here all day then. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Me neither.
Lay there.
Me neither, you fucking dick. Yeah, you shaking now, ain't you, you little fucking pussy
You're
ass?
crazy. You think I'm scared of
You're
you.
a fucking little pussy.
Relax.
Little fucking pussy.
Didn't work out well for you though, did it?
Yeah, didn't work out well for you.
Okay,
It ain't gonna. Think about the long run, buddy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Think about the fucking long run.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out for you.
Okay.
Guess what? I'll be out and I'll be fucking shining.
Okay.
You're gonna be fucking in dog shit.
Okay.
Yep. Shoveling shit the rest of your life. Fucking worthless piece of shit.
She's kicking and stuff,
Okay.
so watch out.
Hey, check this out. We're gonna stand you up, put you in the car. You start kicking,
Hey,
you're going
check
right
this
back
out.
down on the ground.
That's
You
where I want to
understand?
be. That's
You
where I
wanna
want
be
to
down on the
Yes, that's
ground?
where I'd like to be.
I just
So
tried to
fucking
pick her up,
have
she
fun with
started
that.
kicking. I'm gonna cut this backpack though.
That's fine.
Or do you have a knife? Can you cut this back
I
up?
sure do. Yep.
Well, you guys didn't go to much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you?
Alright, come on. Just leave her on the side until we get somebody else here.
Oh, that's what you tried to hit me with, huh?
Oh, shit.
Yikes.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking
Are you
about?
kidding me? I was fucking the vape, you dummy. Yeah. I couldn't though.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I threw that.
You see? No, that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh yes, that's what she was stabbing the car.
Okay.
Get in the car. Hold on. We got someone at 15. We're trying to get into the vehicle right now. Just set her back down. Hey, you're done. Do you understand?
So are you. Do you understand?
You're done. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, now one more tempo.
I'm almost positive that that's what scratched my leg, though.
Don't you kick me.
Bitch, I'll fucking do what I want.
No, you won't, because your ass is gonna get tased.
Yeah.
Let go of me. Come on, man. Don't even start.
Man.
Don't even start.
Fucking start with your ass.
I need her to run first. It
No,
hurt?
no, it doesn't. You know what? You know what's gonna hurt? Is y'all fucking asses are done.
Oh.
So fucking done.
If
'Cause
I gotta.
listen to the thing, I know that you're all fucking jokes.
Okay.
You're a fucking joke.
She got out of
All of you.
Put the hand behind your back.
I'm going less lethal. I'm going less lethal, Cabbage. You're good.
I'm gonna tase you if you do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2, 3. Taser, taser, taser.
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You're a fucking pussy. You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a fucking pussy.
Yep.
You're a fucking pussy. All of this.
That's double locked. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do? You fucking pussy. That's what you are.
Good time, take your time.
Just wait. Just wait, dude. Just fucking wait. Your welcome home party is
Double
gonna
lock
be
it, double lock
fun.
It is double locked.
Your fucking welcome
Wanna make
home
sure this
party
one
is
is
gonna be fun.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you're a real officer? Yeah, okay.
We got her good?
They're not real officers. Listen, when this is done, you're all fucked. You hear me? You're fucking pussies and you're all fucked.
If I had $1 for every time someone told me
Yeah,
that,
for every time somebody fucking told you that,
I could
you
retire
fucking
by
wait.
now.
Fucking goddamn wait. Yep.
Sounds good. Ready?
Go to the other side. Yep.
I got her.
No, I know. We gotta
adjust
gotta
her.
flip her.
Over her other stomach.
Turn this way.
No.
We're trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb fuck. I'm not stupid.
Yeah, exactly.
So go fuck yourself.
Exactly.
You're gonna go tase me again so I can fucking... Yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. Fuck you. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. No, where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're fucking all over the place. Listen, you dick.
You good?
Listen. Medium priority alert, medium priority alert. So fucking shut the fuck up. I know what you're fucking doing. I know exactly what you're fucking doing. You're fucking sitting there being fucking dick fucks. I know you're fucking in on it. You're fucking stupid. And I'm done with you. You hear me? I'm fucking done. You either fucking let me out of this shit hole, this fucking shit hole, or you're done. I'm done with you. I'm done with this fucking game. I've told you a million times. I know you're fucking there. I know what you're doing. Stop it. You won't fucking stop it. You're gonna fucking stop it. One way or the other. You fucking Facebook fucking dick fuck freaks. You heard me. You better let me out of this shit, man. Better fucking let me out of this shit. You better fucking bring me somewhere to negotiate, or I'm fucking done. You fucking, I swear to God, none of y'all will ever fucking live this shit down if you do not fucking let me out this fucking shit right now. It's gonna stop. Right here and now, it's stopping. Right fucking here and now. Like, I don't fucking know. I'm not fucking stupid. I've known for fucking years. I've told you to stop for years. You can't stop? What, you guys are having too much fun? Well, I'm not. Bring me to the sunshine, man. Huh? Yeah? That's what you want? The sunshine? Bring me there. Let's talk. Because otherwise, I mean, fucking 10 more minutes of this and you're done. I'm not fucking doing a goddamn thing. Not 10 minutes, 2 minutes. How about that? 2 more minutes of this and I ain't doing shit for yous. So you better fucking hurry up and decide. You fucking sunshine people or what? Huh? Yeah. Sunshine, huh? Walking on sunshine. You better bring me there. Right now. Listen, bring me to the sunshine, people. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. How many times I gotta say it for you to fucking give, huh? Huh?
I don't even know what sunshine people
Yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, you're fucking bullshit. You're such a fucking liar. So you're all fucking liars. Listen, and if you don't get me out of this car in 2 minutes, it's done. I'm not agreeing to nothing. You guys better fucking start negotiating now. I already fucking know. I've known for years. I've asked you to stop for years. You can't fucking stop? Why? You having too much fun? I'm not. So guess what? You're gonna fucking bring it right now to the fucking head, and we're gonna fucking pop it? Or fucking, you're just gonna see what's gonna fucking happen. You'll see. It ain't gonna be good for you. Ain't nobody gonna be in fucking paradise, I'll tell you that. Two minutes!
What kind of medical treatment do you need? All? That doesn't really specify.
All.
Okay. I understand that they stunned you. They tased you.
Yeah, that didn't fucking... Yeah, listen, I never lose my head. All. Everything's wrong with me. Take me.
All right.
Dick. Captain fucking Dick.
Ma'am, are you going to
and his associates. Are you going to be compliant? Fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. I don't know you. Get the fuck out my face, bitch. It's exactly how it's fucking going to go.
Be able to tolerate transport the back of the cruiser over to the hospital unless you want to put it
That works with us.
Okay.
She should go. Then, yeah.
I mean, she's not cooperative and she's just saying the same thing over
All
and over.
right, ma'am, we're going to take you down to the hospital, okay?
Okay.
When
All they'll ask is what we don't give a fuck about and all that good shit that we don't give a fuck about.
Okay.
There's no history.
You ID'd her?
No, I don't have her ID.
No, but they just know everything because I'm on fucking TV. That's why. Because you're on TV. That's why we know everything about her, and we're wearing all those body cams and all that good fucking shit. You fucking dumb fucks. You dumb fucks.
She was arrested for fleeing with the intent to elude law enforcement, resisting an officer with violence, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, and 2 counts of criminal mischief.
You laughing, you dick fuck? You laughing? I swear to God, I'm fucking burning this fucking shit down. Burn it down! Forgot to check me, didn't you?